Hello. Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and at the same time see my screen. This is 6th of February. So I'd like us to start off our analysis with the gold. We already have it on our screen. We have a very good resistance zone. We have a very good support zone. We have another support zone, and we have a major support zone at the bottom. So where the price is right now is actually a good place to consider looking for a buy from. If the buyers can come in around this area, this should be an ideal place to look for a buy from. We do expect that the buyers are going to push price upwards, at least up to this level here. If the price ascends above it, then that will be a good sign that we are now continuing to the upper side. But if the price goes and closes below this line, then we will expect it to continue downwards up to the next zone, which is this one. If this is broken, then the next zone is this one. If this is broken, then we will expect the price to extend even lower. So that should be my opinion on that chart on that given time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, we have a very good support here. We have a support, there is a false breakout, then we have a support, and we have another support here. So as it is right now, the price is moving to the lower side. We do expect the price to continue downwards up to this zone. If this is broken, then we will expect the price to extend even lower towards the next level, which is 1973.44. So if the price can descend below this zone, we will expect it to continue much lower up to 1973.4474. That's my opinion. The other chart is silver. With silver also, we are around a very good support zone here. This is a very good ideal support zone where if the price does not descend and close below it, then that should give us the best ideal place to look for a buy from. So we're just waiting to see what happens. As long as the price does not ascend, does not break below this zone, it does not break below this zone, then this should give us the ideal place to look for a buy from. But if for some reasons the price breaks and closes below this zone, then the next zone to look for a buy from is this one. If this is broken, then the next zone to look for a buy from is this one here. So you can wait for a buy here, or you can wait for a buy around this zone, or you may wait for a buy around this zone, or you can wait for a sell when the price touches this resistance zone, or if the price touches the next resistance zone, which is this one here. But as it is right now, we are into a buy. We expect the buyers to come in from around this area up to this point, where we'll sell off up to the next zone, which is this one here. So that is my opinion on that time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, we have a very good support. We have a support, we have a resistance, we have a resistance, and we have a resistance here. So as it is right now, we are looking at this zone for a sell, and we're looking at this zone for a buy. We are also looking for this zone for a buy, and we may also look for this zone for a sell or the other zone for a sell. So those are the only key zones we're looking at on this chart on those given time frames. The other chart which I want us to have a look at, I'd like us to look at the natural gas. We have it here. So with the natural gas so far, we have a very good resistance zone here. We have a very good support zone, and we have another support zone here. It doesn't look very good on that time frame, but on the 30 minutes time frame, we have a support, a resistance, a resistance, a resistance, a resistance, and a resistance. So as it is right now, this is a very good continuation to the lower side. We expect a move much lower towards 2.165. So this is the place to sell from up to this level. If this is broken, then we expect the sellers to continue to push price downwards. So technically speaking, this is a good sell. On the natural gas, we are looking at a very good long-term sell. We are supposed to be focusing on sell positions, expecting that the sellers are going to push us much lower up to somewhere below this line here. So if you're on this chart while you're talking now, look for sell signals, expecting the sellers to push us even lower. So I hope that makes a lot of sense, and that should pretty much bring us to the end of today's analysis. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same time. Thank you, and see you.